Hi guys, and today we're going to be doing a teardown of an LED light bulb that recently blew up. Well, not blew up, but like failed. And we're just going to see what's happened to it. And you can see there is a bit of melting here. As you can tell, so something there has overheated. Let's remove this face plate first. So let's just I guess try and remove the lens, if you could say. Okay, it's coming off. Alright. So there's some damage there. The LED, you can see that there's a black mark. Undo these screws. Alright. There we go. Just get this undone. Now, I guess we can dig deeper into this LED bulb. I'll remove this top piece now. Okay, it's coming undone now. Right. Ooh. Okay. This looks bad. So, if you look here, this wire has a brown mark. Oh no, it's not a wire, sorry, it's just a little... Something has gone bang inside the circuit board. Let's look inside the circuit board. Ooh. Something looks to be a bit... It's just a question of getting the circuit board out without completely destroying it. I'm going to remove the plastic with just some pliers. Right, so I've got some pliers now, so we can just basically just brute force our way into the more of this plastic. Okay, we're almost in now. So right. What do we have here? Okay. That resistor, that fusible resistor is literally melted and burnt. And this capacitor has just basically exploded. It's literally like burnt so bad. Transformer and everything up here, the transistor here. D, I accidentally dropped it. It's gone. Yeah, let's really bad. This for some weird reason. Have a little look at it. Then right, there's a capacitor here that just. I assume it's because of all the heat that's been up there. That could be why. All the heat. There's this disc. There's a weird liquid on it. I'm not sure where that's from. Basically, these two prongs go inside here, like plugs in, and this goes into. But yeah, that LED is literally just. So I'm not sure what has failed first. But the circuit board seemed to be fine. So it could be that the LED's blown and the circuit's just gone, because this resistor's just burnt. This fusible whatever resistor is probably burnt. This could have been a lot worse, and this could have also burnt as well. And this is really smelly. It smells like burnt plastic, and it will produce a lot more smoke. Luckily, it only just flickered and just smoked a bit. But this is basically what was up there.